This is my bird feeder. You can tell if you have a look, you see that they've come today and they've eaten. But yes, it's a bird feeder that I've always wanted, and I've kept this in the garden. If you look across there, you see it's a country park, and all the birds come over. They descend on my garden. It's in a mess at the moment because it's winter, but hey, I like to just sit in my kitchen and have a look. And you know, when they come, you get the different type of birds that come over. Yes, they're so cute. But then my cats are looking through the window, and sometimes they get frightened and run away, innit? Oh my gosh, yes they do. But yes, this is the fat balls. They like the fat balls. Then I've got the peanuts for them, and I've got the sunflower seeds. Can you see the sunflower seeds? And I've got the this one, I can't remember this one again, for the Niger. This is the Niger seeds for the little pretty birds, them, my dear child. So yes, so that's my contribution to feeding wildlife. Well, the birds are coming in now. You can see the woodpecker, and you see the smaller birds. I have to do this inside the kitchen and can't make a sound, or else they'll fly away. And look, and there is the blue jay. Look at the blue jay. They're all coming in. I have to be, you know what? I am doing this video and I have to stand in one position. Yes, one position. Can I tell you something, right? I put the feeder up and I was saying to myself that there is no birds coming, but they start to come through. But that's my favorite bird across there, the blue jay. But blue jay, they're not nice birds to the younger ones, you know. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Look at the that's why they call the blue jay. All right, so she's taking her time. Look. I have to be holding this. My hands are not steady. Ooh, it flew off.